At long last, the Galaxy S25 Edge has arrived. The super slim flagship was first teased at Galaxy Unpacked in January, but it's now been officially revealed in a launch video posted to Samsung's YouTube channel. The Galaxy S25 Edge joins the Galaxy S25, Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the wider S25 family, and it looks set to rank among the best Android phones for aesthetic value alone. Naturally, given both its name and the official dummy unit Samsung teased at Unpacked and Mobile World Congress, we knew the Edge was going to be slim, and now we know just how thin and light the phone really is. The Galaxy S25 Edge measures just 5.8mm at its thinnest point, making it far and away the thinnest Galaxy S phone ever yet. The standard Galaxy S25 measures 7.2mm, while the S25 Ultra is a comparatively chunky 8.2mm, so the Edge really does mark a step up in terms of design. Even more impressive though is the phone's weight. The S25 Edge weighs just 163 grams, which is almost identical to the standard Galaxy S25, but here you are getting a much larger 6.7-inch AMOLED display. There's the same size screen as you'll find on the Galaxy S25 Plus, but the Edge is 14% lighter and 21% thinner than the particular model. With a starting price of $1,099, the Galaxy S25 Edge is far from a cheap phone, but it's certainly an attractive proposition for those who value style and portability above all else. Are you convinced by the Edge's unique mix of style and substance? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.